Good morning and welcome to another blog. Today I will show you how you can use your uh, old action camera into a dash cam. For this I will be using SJcam Wi-Fi SJ4000. This particular action camera was lying in my drawer for a quite long time, and my car dash cam is no more giving good quality pictures as it is 8 to 9 years old. So instead of buying a new dash cam, I thought why not use an SJcam as a dash cam. So for this I have procured these attachments so that you can easily fit it in the dashboard. You can fit it like this, or you can buy a suction cup. That also I will show you. And before using it as a dash cam, you have to change some parameters. So let me show you what are the things you need to do. Let me go into the settings mode. I assume that your resolution and everything has been already set by you. Still, if you haven't, you can go to, now let me come to the resolution. Here I have selected 1080p at 30 frames per second. You can come to 720 60 frames per second also if you want, but I feel it's better. So resolution I have set it in that particular position. Now it comes to loop recording. When you are in dashcam mode, you must ensure that your camera is in loop recording. Otherwise, once the memory card gets full, the camera will stop. There are 3 times, 3, 5 and 10 depending upon how much loop you want to follow. So I will go for 3 minutes. Okay. Then the field of vision. This thing I have kept in wide mode so that the maximum area it can capture while taking the videos. So I have preferred it wide, but if you don't want that much of wide video angle, then you can reduce it to middle also, but I have kept it in wide. Okay, then I will go to, if you need motion detection option, you can also set it to on position. Motion detection is, that means when the car is in stationary mode, and if any there is any sort of motion activities, the camera will capture that particular video, and that is dependent on how much battery is left in your camera. So that's also important, but I have kept it in off position as I don't require it. Then I will go to, if you want the timestamp, there is a timestamp option also. So you can go to timestamp and set it on, so it will record the time and date of that particular video also. I have kept it in off position, I don't require that. Now finally the dash cam mode. So you need to keep it in on position. Why you should keep it in dash cam mode? Because by this system, what happens, when the ignition is on, your camera automatically starts, and as soon as you put your ignition off, the camera will stop. So it will be an automatic on off feature. So you need to on this dash cam mode. So by this we have set the camera. Now we will fit it in the car. Now let me show you how you will install this particular camera in your car. For this you need to purchase this suction mount. This is the suction mount which I have purchased from Amazon, and I will give you the links from where you can purchase. So I have attached this particular thing to the suction mount. Let me show you how I have done it. This is actually the suction mount, and here is the attachment with which you need to attach this particular camera to your suction mount. And these attachment you will find in your box of SJcam or whatever company you are having. So with this you attach it like this. Let me show you. Very simple. Okay, so you attach this like this. This is the lock nut, so you lock according to your position. So like this you attach this particular dash cam to your suction mount. You can also use other mounts such as dashboard mounts which are available with your kit. Otherwise I prefer a suction mount. So let me attach it first. So like this I have attached it. Okay, now I have attached this micro USB cable, and for this I have one particular car charger. Remember to use with minimum charging current. The rated current should be between 1 amps to 1.5 amps. So this charger is having a port for 1.2 amps because you need a slow charger, otherwise your battery will get damaged. So that's why I have procured this type of charger, and for this type of charger I will also give you the link. And how you set this camera I have already shown. So you attach it to your cigarette lighter. Okay, now let me switch on the car. See, I have given the accessories on. That dash cam has already switched on, and this is the footage. I will change the position to see at which position I get the best footage. That is also very important. And you see, as soon as I switch off the car, it will switch off. I have switched off the car, and you will find it will gradually switch off. Okay, so in this way I have successfully installed the SJcam action camera as a dash cam. And let us see some footages of this particular dash cam. So you are to decide whether you want to use your SJcam as a dash cam or not. And hope you find these simple steps how you can install your SJcam as a dash cam. So thank you very much and goodbye.